brother. The best, the worst, and the unforgettable. Now for our next category, something that our celebrity classmates can't get enough of. Food. And although we do not condone the drug behaviour of the rich and famous, we do love watching it. So pour yourself a large one as we salute our roll call of unforgettable tipsy talent. Cheers.
Got the hiccups.